Want to achieve financial success in 2025? What if I told you there are 10 simple lessons that could transform your financial future? Stick around, because these tips might just change your life. Welcome back to SmartCoin Chronicles. If you've been searching for ways to make 2025 your best financial year yet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 key lessons that can help you achieve financial success. These lessons are simple, actionable, and perfect for anyone looking to take control of their money. Let's jump in. Lesson 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step to financial success is setting clear goals. Without a destination, it's hard to know where to go. Whether it's saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or growing your investments, having a goal gives your money a purpose. Lesson 2. Budget like a pro. A budget isn't a restriction. It's a roadmap to freedom. Track your income and expenses, and make sure every dollar is working towards your goals. Apps like YNAB, Mint, or even a simple spreadsheet can make budgeting easy and effective. Lesson 3. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can pop up at any time, and that's why having an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses to cover unforeseen events like medical bills or job loss. It's your financial safety net. Lesson 4. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt with high interest, like credit card debt, is a wealth killer. Make it a priority to pay it off as quickly as possible. Start with the highest interest rates first to save money and free up cash for your goals. Lesson 5. Invest early and consistently. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Consistent investing in assets like ETFs, stocks, or mutual funds can lead to significant wealth over time. Remember, the market rewards patience and consistency. Lesson 6. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Diversify your income by adding a side hustle, exploring rental income, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Multiple streams of income provide stability and growth. Lesson 7. Educate yourself about money. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Take the time to read books, watch educational videos, and follow trusted financial experts. The more you learn, the better financial decisions you'll make. Lesson 8. Live below your means. Spending less than you earn is the golden rule of wealth building. Focus on needs over wants, and find joy in saving and investing rather than unnecessary spending. It's the simplest way to grow your wealth over time. Lesson 9. Protect your assets. Protecting what you've built is just as important as growing it. Make sure you have the right insurance policies and an estate plan to secure your wealth for the future. It's about being proactive and prepared. Lesson 10. Stay consistent and patient. Financial success isn't about quick wins. It's about steady progress. Stick to your plan, stay consistent, and remember that patience is key. The rewards of disciplined financial habits will pay off over time. There you have it, 10 lessons to set you up for financial success in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to SmartCoin Chronicles for more tips. What's your top financial goal for 2025? Let me know in the comments below.